बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, how are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, I am going to share with you most stunning and very beautiful and very unique sewing craft ideas. These are very stunning and very pretty looks of different sewing craft ideas. So guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are super incredible sewing craft ideas. If you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are super incredible and top unique sewing craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, thank you for supporting my channel and thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very beautiful ideas for you guys. You must make these sewing craft ideas at your homes. And if you don't know about how to make these type of craft, then you must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of sewing craft ideas at home very easily. Follow for more details. And these are super incredible and very pretty collection of sewing ideas, and you must try at your homes and watch different kind of craft videos on my channel. Keep supporting my channel, always keep watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are super incredible and